All right, Scalenut for SEO. Let's talk about it. I want to talk about some of the pros, the cons of using this platform, kind of what it's good at, what it's not good at, and then we're going to talk about some good solutions that are alternatives to this. And so you have a really good idea. Is this for you? Is it not for you? So this tracks the biggest thing for a lot of SEO tools is they're talking about AI search, showing up in AI overviews, AI citations, and some of them are good and some of them aren't as good as they say. So this one's no different. It talks about AI visibility and it gives you actionable recommendations, built-in GEO engine. It has backlinks where you can pay to get high quality backlinks. So those are some of the key features that they talk about here. But I want to dive into some real pros and cons from users and from people that are actually using this platform. So let's dive into the pros. So first, all-in-one platform. You can plan, research, write, and optimize content in one place. So it takes care of not having a bunch of different tools. Solid article editor because you can do SEO blogs, and it has a reviewer called the AI Writer. And so you can edit articles with the AI, create them with the AI. Detect and humanize built in, so handy for refining AI drafts without leaving the editor. So humanizes, so it's not like getting as detectable by that it's AI, because this is a ongoing issue. I'm gonna talk about this more, especially with the Google changes, things like that. They're trying to basically ding not like AI content, but AI content that doesn't have, add value, replicated AI content, mass spammy AI content. That's not good. GEO and AI search angle, so it tracks ChatGPT, Google, AIO, and Perplexity to help see how your visibility is. Lower entry price, $24 to $59 a month, plus free trial. Publishing integrations, auto-publish to WordPress and Shopify. And then it has SEMrush and Copyscape connections. So those are all the pros. Not bad. The cons are this, to kind of really dive into reasons why the platform isn't as good. It's too manual. So there's a lot of manual aspects of this. The keyword planner is very manual. You expect 80 to 90% done for you. It's not always the case. Cluttered interface, or is overloaded with features, feels built for full-time SEOs, not busy owners. So it seems like there's just too much. There's not as much automated as it could be. Weak AI mention tracking, so brand monitor compared to the site to non-competitors, called a nice toy. So basically, people are saying that it's not as good as it's claiming to be as far as AI mention tracking. Thin original research, so little cited and original data. Regurgitated content risks Google penalties. So this is a problem, if it's just regurgitating what's already out there and not adding value to the end user, then the articles they're not gonna rank. It's not gonna get you the traffic that you want. Key features paywalled, so recommendations lock behind and upgrade from the starter plan. So again, the starter plan is a low cost, but to get the really good stuff, you got to pay a lot more. Overpriced backlinks, so it does have the backlinks, but it says it's $470 for a DA42 link on a random site, so not justifiable. So it's very, very expensive to get backlinks, and even then it's still kind of random. So those are the pros and the cons. Now, a good alternative to Scalenut is Arvow. This is the platform that I use, the built-in AEO, GEO platform to help enhance your content strategy, your traffic, all the things that you want to get out of your website and your business. And what Scalenut lacks, this does a really good job. So first and foremost, backlinks. They have automatic backlinks here. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. You can submit your website and then get enrolled in automatic backlinks. How that works is Arvow has thousands and thousands of users that are enrolled in this, and it all goes in this pot, right? Analyzes all their websites, all the links, all the high DR links, right? So when someone creates a piece of content, it looks at this pool of backlinks and finds the relevant backlinks and picks a couple and integrates them naturally into the article as external links. And vice versa, when someone's creating an article, it may find your links. Or when you're creating an article, it's going to find other links. It's going to include them as external links. A lot of users are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks per day. High quality backlinks, and it's 100% automated. So that's really awesome. That's a nice perk of this. Of course, you can use this to write articles, but the reason why this is so much better, and this caters to the new Google changes, is because sure, you can write SEO articles, you give it a keyword, you can give it a title if you want, create the articles, but the articles can be written including your brand assets. So I can go in here and include my knowledge base, case studies, training materials, my website. So it's going to include that information, pull that information, include it in articles. So articles are going to be original, they're going to be new, they're going to include my brand assets. I can structure it, have a call to action to my website. I can have my sitemap, so it's going to link all my pages together. So it's going to include those internal links in the articles as well. I can include my own images, or it'll create them for me. I can include my own YouTube, or it'll do a relevant YouTube video. So that's one of the reasons why it's so good, because it integrates your brand assets. So it's original articles that way. The other way that this is good is you can do article templates. So basically, I can do a custom article template with specific variables that are unique to my business, and create amazing articles that are 100% unique. And this is what is going to set you apart in search and getting mentioned on AI overviews and getting mentioned in AI citations, because you can create these amazing articles. So these are like templates. All you do once they're created is you put in the variables, and you can create these for anything, which is really, really awesome. So it's creating these unique articles with the unique variables to your business, which is amazing. So here's one we did for real estate. Should you waive an inspection? And we added in specific variables that are unique to our business. Here's one for protein powders. We lab tested 8 protein powders. 2 big names were 18% underdosed. Again, we added all these variables in. This is 100% unique, brings a unique perspective, and it adds value to the end user. So this is something that you can do. Also, when you're creating articles, it already has the SEO bells and whistles here. So you can see meta description, H2, H3, alt text. It already does this structure for you. And then it integrates with any website, so you can automatically post this to your website. You could even set up an auto blog, which is amazing as well. So you can do an auto blog. You basically set up the feed that you want it to pull from, which could be like a keyword feed, an RSS feed, whatever the case may be. And then once you set up that feed, you can set up the auto blog. So it basically pulls the feed, generates, and publishes, which is really, really awesome. So you can set this up full 100% auto blog that you can be hands off. Some other cool features: has a site optimizer. It'll analyze your whole site for SEO gaps, tells you what you have, what you should change it to, and then why you should change it to that. And then you can apply the change, or you can mass apply all the changes at once, fix your website in just a couple of clicks. LLM brand monitor. So this is pretty next level. This is where you can monitor your brand performance across all LLMs, or all the major ones. So you put in your website, it'll give you prompts out of the gate that's going to track to see your performance. So it'll track your visibility and your sentiment, positive or negative, and it'll give you a visibility score. What's cool is you can click in here and see, okay, ChatGPT, what's my visibility score? Claude, visibility score. And then you can work on getting that score up. The easiest way to get that score up is to take this prompt and create an article around this, because this is how people are searching for you. You can also add your own prompts and track your own stuff. Really, really awesome. And finally, Site Explorer. This is like Ahrefs. You can track your website traffic or a competitor website traffic, their top ranking pages, all those things. So really, really cool all-in-one platform. Really fills the gaps that Scalenut is missing. And this is the main tool that I'm using every day to grow my business traffic, grow my rank, and set myself apart so I can get featured more on AI citations, AI overviews, all the things. So hopefully it helps you guys out. Check out this other video on SEO and automations and all that stuff. We'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you.